All right, let's go ahead and break down this recap for Monday and kind of see what happened for today. So you can see here on, right now we're into the later evening here on price action, but we marked our key levels up here from the top here, and at the bottom you can see we started to trade up through here in the morning, and then we broke down. This was the daily support area, and this was the daily, or just the breakdown trigger area. We lost that trigger right here on the 15-minute. Now we need to get to 2 closes, which we did get that, but we were also on the bottom of the Stochas during that time. And you can see the same thing on the 5-minute. You can see the energy of the Stocha still wanted to come back up, and you had that 5-minute there. So obviously this was the big push right through here. You're below the 2 moving averages, but for me, I do want to see it break through the breakout area, at least on a support and resistance. That's what that's for. So you can see that started to break down. Then we found the volume area low on the weekly, and from there we actually bounced and started to recover. Now what I was looking for this to do is start to reject somewhere here on this area for because we already flipped the support and resistance, turned it into resistance. I was hoping this was going to maintain resistance. Here on the 15-minute we started to come back up. Well, this is a neutral zone since we crossed here anyways, so really I was waiting for us to get back under and come bearish. But I do go back out to my 15-minute and kind of sit out there again, just like we did before. So you can see it came back up. We got the first actual break and close, and you had the 1-2, and then we started to fall back down. But now we're in the spot that we wanted to see, which was right here, which is going to show the rollover. And as you can see, we started to break down, back tested right through here. This was kind of our area to look at getting in. You can see that I was watching this behavior here for us to break down. But by the time we got down to this area, we're getting into the 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock hour. For me, didn't worry about the market at this point. And you can see that we're just kind of trading along. Now, I do want to point out, you traded the whole day here on the 15-minute, and this was the fall down from the Monday, then we kind of traded, and the bottom where it bounced on the Sunday into Monday morning, early Monday morning hours, you can see that also now became resistance throughout the whole day, trading day of Monday. So I am watching this to possibly roll over here. We'll have to see. If we go out to the longer time frames, which we talked about, you are well underneath the 200 here on the daily, and as you can see, we were up here on the 200 right through here on this dotted red line was about the 200. We were above it, then we just broke down today and we closed down below it. So are we going to get the rotation? Hard to say. The 4-hour right now shows that it wants to rotate, but it still is kind of has downward pressure, and this could roll back over, of course. The 1-hour right now went all up throughout the whole day, and now it's kind of topping here. We could not get through that resistance, which is very bearish right now. Now we do have this lower here, and we did build this support through here, but we'll have to see. I'm not real excited. What I'll do is go back to my anchor points, which is the 21 and the 200. The 15-minute is showing neutral right now, but if this rolls over and breaks down, then that's definitely going to kind of fall back into take out this key level and start to go on down. Now, if we go into Bookmap, it's hard to say right now, but it is still calling down in this area. It does have some liquidity down here, nothing real great, but it still looks like 100,000 still on the table, just watching that. We also could kind of push back up and get back up into that 115, 117 range and test up there for a little bit too. So right now, the bigger time frames, though, still kind of show that pressure. We'll just have to kind of see how things play out and hold. So tomorrow we should be able to reset our levels and look for opportunities. Either we're going to start to break down here and trade on down, or we'll see it kind of start to recover here and hold and turn this resistance into support and then kind of push back up. So we'll have to kind of watch and see. But that's about it, guys. Thank you. Like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next recap. Talk soon. Thanks.